Hello, in this video I wanted to take a look at this ABC bike lock and also give a shout out to the individual who loaned it to me. This was loaned to me by David Nauer, and I think it was over a year ago now. I've just been really bad about following up with this lock, but I finally took a look at it. But David Nauer is a really cool individual. I don't think he has any videos online. I don't think he does the YouTube videos, but if you do any sort of lockpicking in person and on the East Coast, it's extremely likely you've either met him or he was helping organize the event that you were picking at. He is extremely active in the in-person pick meetings and conventions on the East Coast, and a really nice individual. So thank you for letting me borrow this lock. This is an interesting lock. I'm going to go ahead and show you all the instructions for using it real quick right here. I will tell you I haven't found any magic tricks for completely bypassing it. I'll show you the only progress I've really made with it. So to alarm it, to turn the alarm on, you just press the B button down and hold it. When you hear that chirp, that's the you have 5 seconds until the alarm engages. Once the alarm is engaged, if it's nudged once, it'll give you sort of a 5 burst warning alarm, and if it's nudged again within another 5 seconds, it'll set the alarm off and hold that for 15 seconds. So I'll go ahead and show you all the alarm real quick. I'll just warn you now, it is kind of loud, so be aware that it may be loud. So you can see that is extremely sensitive. I'll do it one more time just so you can see that. So the only thing I've seen to really help with that, or to try to sort of bypass that a little bit, is to use a magnet. And so that's what I'm going to do here. It seems like there is a small ball bearing that's inside of there, and I guess it's used for some sort of accelerometer. And so by using the magnet, we pull the ball bearing into one place. That does set off the temporary warning alarm, but it makes it a little less sensitive. It desensitizes it a teeny bit. And I'll show you that here. And it also dulls the sound down, so you'll see here. You can see that's less loud now. So that wasn't quite as loud. And now I should be able to touch it just a teeny bit more. It's still sensitive, but I can move it a little bit more without the alarm going off. You can see it's just a little bit, and it is still very sensitive. But that might be enough to let you unscrew the bolts holding this to the bike. Oop, even there you can see I set it off. So it's still not perfect. It's still pretty sensitive, but it might give you a little bit of an advantage if you were trying to unscrew it. And then once you take the battery out, and obviously you can turn the alarm off. The default pin for this is ABCA, and that deactivates it. Thank you, David, for sharing this lock, and I'll get this back to you after it's been a very long time, but I'll make sure to get this back to you, and thank you for loaning it to me. Thank you all for watching.